how to export your portfolio from CoinGecko. Hello, welcome to another tutorial. In today's tutorial, you'll learn how you can export your portfolio from CoinGecko. To do this is very simple, so kindly watch till the end. First thing you must notice, CoinGecko does not support direct exporting of portfolio transactions, but you can share a public watch list as an alternative. And here is how. First of all, login into your CoinGecko account, just like I've done here. Then open your CoinGecko portfolio by moving to the bottom part of the screen. At the bottom part of the screen, you see options like Market, Portfolio, Search, Explore, Profile. Then click the Explore tab. Now, as long as you have a portfolio on this page, you would see your portfolio, and then you would see a three dot menu at the top right corner. For me, my portfolio is empty, so I'm just going to explain. Pay attention and you would get it. All right. Once you're on your portfolios page, at the top right corner, you would see the three dot menu. Tap on it and toggle the share portfolio to on. You would see the share portfolio option with the toggle it to on, and then edit the URL link to customize your public watch list. Then share the link with others. Whoever you share the links with would be able to view your portfolio as a watch list from their end. So that is the trick on how we can export your portfolio from CoinGecko. Thank you and have a wonderful day.